Alright, everybody. Here's the CF update. Sorry, it's been a long time. It might just be like that, you know? Thing is, I got my ADHD medication. So hopefully it will be better and I'll be able to make videos better. I put an alarm on my phone. Is it working? No, but we'll keep trying, right? So I got my ADHD medication. I'm going to therapy, right? And I'm getting, my mental health medication, my cystic fibrosis medication. Guess what happened? My vest stopped working. So I have to call them and I have to get a new one. We'll see what happens. And I'll keep you updated with if they give one to me. Thank you. Bye.